Hello my people, on today's video we are making this bag. The school bag is mostly for men, for those school bag that I'm seeing that are carrying this school bag. So let's go ahead. Is VL design that we're going to use today. So on this measurement, our measurement is 17 by 14 inch. Then I measured from here to here to be 4 inch, and from here to here now to be 9 inch. Then I draw this curve. The same thing applies here. Then coming down to this side now, the measurement I measure from here to here to be 1 and 2.5 inch. I measured here to be 2.5 inch, and here to be 2.5 inch, and it is this way here. So from the 2.5 inch now, I now draw a curve here. The same thing applies to this side. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, before cutting it out now, I measure from here to here to be 10 inch. From here to here to be 10 inch. Then I'll cut it out straight this way. So let me go ahead and do that. This one is easy and simple to make this school bag. Don't waste much of time because there is no much lego on this school bag. No much stress. So let me go ahead and sew this one. Like about 30 minutes we're done. We're through for this bag here. So for me to make sure that all of them are equal, I need to fold this one and place it this side this way. Then I'll use it to cut it. So now this is how it will be. After cutting it out, it will be this way. I told you I'm using VL design for the bag. So coming here, I'll cut it out from here, that's 10 inch. Then coming at the middle, I'll place it this way to make sure that they are equal. So after cutting it out, the next thing I will do before cutting the round body, the zipper side and the back side of the bag, is to go ahead and add zip here. So because this place is 14 inch as I measured it before, I'll be cutting 1.5 inch leather here, 1.5 inch leather by 1.5 inch leather. That's where the zip will stop. Then from there I'll add the zip that will be here. So this is the zip that I will use here. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So it will be here this way, and I'll cut it. So after adding the zip head here, the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and add this one here with the zip. I'll add it this way here. So after adding the zip head and the leather that will be by the two sides of the bag, I will now go ahead and join this here. I'll join it this way now. So it will be this way now, and I'll go ahead and sew here. Then coming here, I will join this one together with this here. So after this, I'll fold it this way again. I'll go ahead and sew it. So after adding zip here, this is how it will look like. And you see, this is how it will be. So after here, I will now use lining and cover here. I'll cover it with lining. So after adding lining here, the next thing I will do is to place the leather on top, this one on the top of the leather to cut the back side of the bag. So I'll place it on top of this leather this way. Then I'll go ahead and cut the back side of those bag. These are the two, the front and the back side of the bag. So the next thing I will cut now is the zipper side and the base side, that's the round body, the zipper side and the round body. So let's go ahead and cut that side. So the zipper will be here. You measure from here and you stop here. Then the round body will be here and just stop here. So now, after cutting out the round body and the zipper side, I told you from here will be for the zip and it will stop here, and the here will be for the round body. When I measured here, I measured out 25" and this side, and I measured out 26, and I added extra 1" making it 27". Oh, so round body is 27" by 5", and the zipper side is 25" by 5". And I divided into two, making it 25" by 2.5". So let me go ahead and join all of them together. Then after that, I will show you the handle that I will use for the back. So let me join the zipper side of this one here. So this is the zip, that's size 6 zip that I will use. So I'll join it together with this one here. Then after here, I'll still fold it this way. So after sewing it, I will now add the zip head. So after adding the zip head here, I will now add the lining and the round body of the bag here. After sewing it, I'll first of all turn the leather this way without the lining, and I'll go ahead and sew it. So after adding the after so after adding the handle, this handle here, the next thing I will do is to add this one. I'll add this one here now. So after adding the handle here, this handle, I will now add cord on the round body of this bag. So after adding the cord on the two sides of those bag, I will now go ahead and add the zipper side and the round border that I sewed together here. So I will keep it this way. I will turn this one here, then I'll start from the middle of the two. From the middle of these two, then I will sew it. So I'm sewing it round here. So so after sewing this one here, the next thing I will do is to add this one from the middle of this, or I will add it from the base. Let me add this one from the base now. Adding it from the base, I will shake to make sure that the base side are equal. And you see they are not equal, so I will shift it. I'll make sure that here and here are equal. And I'll also make sure that this side are equal here. And you see, so this place and this place will line together. Then I'll go ahead and sew it from here. So now after sewing the bag, let's go ahead and turn our bag. So after sewing this bag, this is how it will be. And you see this bag. So the bag will be this way. So this is the bag. So thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for all my returning subscribers. I thank you once again. I'll continue to thank you because you were wonderful made for me. And to all my new subscribers, I say a very big welcome, and also thank you for subscribing newly on my YouTube channel. Just stay tuned all the time. You'll be seeing new things on our channel. Thank you so much.